In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play old school RuneScape on Xbox and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if it is possible to play old school RuneScape on Xbox, we can visit the official old school RuneScape website and also the Xbox or Microsoft Store page. So first, if you go over to the RuneScape Old School page, we will find the option to download Old School. When we click this, it becomes very obvious that from the platforms where Old School RuneScape is available, Xbox is not being listed here. So as you can see, we have Windows, Mac, Steam, iOS, and Android. So 3 of these are going to be for personal computers, and then the 2 last ones are for mobile devices. But clearly there is no mention of Xbox. So what if we visit the official website for Xbox? Let's go over to xbox.com, and if we use the search function, we can look for RuneScape. So when we look for RuneScape, immediately no results pop up, nothing similar, not even old school RuneScape. We can even try altering this. So if we try to change this to OSRS, for example, once again, nothing pops up. So as of today, what is the answer to the question in the title of this video? Is it possible to play either officially or through a workaround? Sadly, as it stands today, because the JWEX launcher is not officially available for Xbox, and because a lot of the workarounds that used to work are being patched out or they don't work too well, I wouldn't recommend going out of your way to try to set up old school RuneScape on an Xbox. Unless the game is officially distributed on the console, you will not be able to play it properly in there. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of downloading and setting up old school RuneScape on Xbox and initiate discussion on whether or not you believe the game should be available for these consoles such as Xbox and PlayStation. If this video cleared up any of the questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.